Yo, check me out. YouTube. Recording this video live on Twitch with some lick in my system. So we gonna see, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, how good we could do this level off the lick. You feel me, bro? Alright, let's do this. 3K precarious pendulums. You feel me? Alright, let's do this. Yo, we're donkey. No way. Oh, I think I remember this. Hold on. Wow. Okay. Oh, we got this. Wait, hold on. Turn them boys into hearts. Oh, no way. Alright, now we extra got this time. It's alright. It's alright. Our first death. It's okay. It's okay, bro. It's okay, bro. No one's keeping track. Except for JB Green in the chat. But no one on YouTube knows who that is. So it's okay. So we really ain't stressing about JB, bro. Oh. Okay. We're chilling. No, DK, Donkey Kong, you know what I'm saying? Look, all I gotta do is duck. I gotta jump. Wait, is there a puzzle piece right here? Oh, I gotta get all these. Can we thanks, Squawks? Squawks, bro. We love those. Yo, my eyes are like, whoa, what's happening, bro? Okay, go. Nah, they doing that. Hold on. Go. Wait. Wait, is a puzzle piece here, bro? Wait, there's a I missed a puzzle piece, bro. I can't, bro. I can't leave a puzzle piece behind, bro. I'm not doing that. No. What? Yo, bro. That's because you guys didn't like, comment, and subscribe. You feel me? It's all your fault. All your fault for all your. What? Oh. We already lost Dixie. Okay, shit. We don't need Dixie. Dixie just makes it harder. So. Yeah, then I just jump. No shit. Over here. Shit. Go. Wait. No. Wait. No. I gotta go the other way, don't I? That's crazy. But we got. Whoa. I was in the air for how long? But how did they expect me to find that puzzle piece without the homie Squawks? That's actually crazy, bro. Oh, okay. That's my fault. Okay. It's good. Wait. Oh, we already missed the owls, didn't we? Chilling. Alright, we're focused up. We're focused up. Go. Whoa, no way I went back in that. Go. Wait for it. Go. Okay. I'm focused up of this. Is this gonna give me a heart? I can't even speak, bro. Hold up. Give me an extra heart. Oh my gosh, there's a heart right there. There's a puzzle piece right there. Hold up. Hold up. Heart? Okay. Okay. Hold up. Oh my gosh, cringe. Heart? Let's go. Okay, wait. Just wait a sec. Wait. Nah. Nope. Go. Nice. The piece is right there. Puzzle. Nice. Nice. Oh my gosh, go. Okay. Hold on. Wait. Okay, go. Nice, dude. Nice. Okay. Wait for it, bro. Wait for what? I don't know. Okay. The piece is right there. How do I get that? Hold up. Wait. Oh my gosh, I got it somehow. Oh, we're almost done with this. We are almost done with this. Wait. Can we survive though? That's the thing. 1, 2, go. 1. Wait. Just wait. Take your time. Boom. Boom. What else do we gotta do? Oh my gosh, they didn't even give me time. They gave me no time. They give me. What am I supposed to? Oh my gosh. What? Bro. They almost caught me lacking with that at the end, bro. $4K. Caught in 4K. Spinning spines. You feel me? Let's go. Ooh, you feel me? What? It's always gotta be some bull only, bro. But straight, wait, we're gonna kill you. Just cause. Go. Bro, this is kind of hurting my eyes, bro. Like, go. Whoa! There's a puzzle piece right here. But like, bro, like, dang. I ain't gonna lie, I can understand that. But wait, we don't get a... There's no crate here, is there? Oh, wow. Alright, we gotta do this. It's just do DK, bro. That's straight. We don't need Dixie. Dixie was just a nuisance to us, bro. That's straight. Jump. Go. Bam. Oh my gosh, I suck. I heal away. Oh my gosh, that was so cringe. I gotta edit that out. Nah, I'm leaving it. Fuck it, whatever. Alright. I wonder how long this one's gonna take. Let's go. This straight. Wow. Bow. 1, 2, bow. You feel me? Okay, let me go. Oh my gosh, I died again. Nah, Dixie would be nice. I ain't gonna lie. Dixie would have been nice. Well, I guess it's straight because we're nice. You feel me? I just gotta focus up. Wait, go. Nice. Okay, wait. Go. We skabop, bam, bam. I gotta kill you every time? Go. Nice. Go. Go. Nice, bro. I gotta risk my life for that thing, don't I? Okay, well, at least we got it now. So we don't gotta worry about getting it every time. Now we complete the level, you feel me? Oh, nah. I'm not gonna lie. We just started. We lost the heart. Nah. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. That early? No. No, we're not doing that. But now we gotta get payback on that. Bow. Bow. Okay. That's how we do it. DK don't play, right? Oh. Oh. Bow. 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 You feel me? Okay, then we jump. Then we go bam. We go boop, blam, boop, we go bow, and then jump. You feel me? And we jump, whoop, bam. We gotta kill you every time. Go. Nice. Go. Go. Nice, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. All these bees. Nice. Okay, go. What is happening? What is happening? Get all those. I missed all those. Okay, straight. There's lava. Of course there's lava, right? It's more dangerous that way. Where is this puzzle piece? I see it. I see it. Get it. Get it. Okay, go. Wait. Okay, go. I messed up. I messed up. Go. 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 Okay. That's 4 out of 5. That means this level's almost done. Oh my gosh. Go. You know what? I'm actually pretty close to being done with it already. We just gotta take our time. We go boop. Yo! Y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see that. Okay. Dang, we already have 1 heart. Is it even worth keep going? Yeah. Okay, go. Wait, I didn't hit that? This one might take a while, y'all boys. It's true. It's straight. Because, you know, they just know I'm really nice at Donkey Kong Country. So they gotta nerf me. You feel me? We go boop, boop, boop. Oh, dang, I missed the other one. We go boop. Oh my gosh, almost died. Straight, look. Nice, nice, bro. Okay. Go. 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 Nice. Bro, we don't mess with these bees. These things are so ugly. Okay, go. We're kind of focused up. Go, just go, just go. This part isn't too crazy. It's not. Why do you always have to jinx things, bro? Alright, we're gonna do like a little edit, I think. Oh. We're gonna do a little edit until we're at that part again. Hi, YouTube. Yeah, we're gonna do a little edit to where at, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna just be talking to you until we're at that part again. Nah, but I love this game for real. That's why I can't do it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, I keep doing it. Let's straight. I'm trying to just focus up, bro. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Is this the farthest we made it? I think so. Oh my. Puzzle piece. Go. Oh my gosh. Go. We made it. We made it, right? Oh my gosh. It doesn't feel like we made it. Found a mysterious relic. It really. I picked the wrong thing. Let's just enjoy this little cinematic real quick. Alright, skip it, skip it, skip it. Bro. Okay. Images, right? We go here. These are the extra images we unlocked. I never seen that thing on top. That's fire. Dioramas. Sick, sick. We've seen those two. Ooh. Hold up. That Ramby one's fire. Yo, good luck taking on Ramby, bro. He's tripping. Snowman, little penguin in the back. Oh, this is sick. Donkey Kong playing on his 3DS? Fire. And all the fish in the water. Then Diddy Kong catching a thingy? Catching a fish, bro. That's sick. Look at Diddy, bro. That's sick. On the next episode of Donkey Kong Country Tropical Freeze, we'll see you at. Let's see. What's the name of the place? We'll see you at. Wait, hold up. Dun, 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 dun. We will see you at 5K platform problems.